Hi everyone, it's Bryan and today I'm up in Pioneertown looking at this beautiful modern pre-modular home. It's made out of 5 shipping containers and been totally customized. With the furnishings, we're talking about 1.2 million. It's on 12 acres, 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And so let's take a look at the scenery around the property. So let's take a look at this outdoor area here. So just gonna kind of go to the side here. You can see this beautiful covered area. It'd be amazing to have these, these beautiful outdoor scenes, just beautiful. So here on this side of the house, actually 2 sides of the house have this beautiful portico with the cement slab, which is really nice. It's elevated, and then you have these gorgeous views that are just amazing up here. And a hot tub is the perfect addition to have. Maybe a pool as well. So we're entering here right now. This is the kitchen area right here. So you've got lacquer cabinetry, refrigerator right there. You have a electric cooktop as well as an island with your dishwasher there and the oven here. So I'll kind of step back and you can see it. It's quartz countertops, and then you can see the living space. And here we have a guest bedroom with storage right there, built-in desk, or could be used for many purposes. Look at that view, gorgeous. It was very fun the way it was decorated. This is a great escape from the city, a home like this. Here is the guest bedroom number 2. And again, it has an area for working. You could actually add, this is all customly done, so you could do whatever you want. You could put more storage here. Really nice views. Beautiful. Of course, the laundry room. And here we have the primary suite with a walk-in closet and 2 huge windows. And then we have the primary bathroom here. Double vanity, as well as shower and floating tub, which is really nice. So let's take a look out here again. Amazing. It's beautiful today. It's a little chilly, but it's beautiful up here. So it's just amazing, beautiful scenery, as you can see, which is why so many Western movies were made in this area. They would come out from LA and make Westerns and other movies, and still do to this day. It's a great place. A lot of people from LA come out here. But what is even more appealing is this beautiful home, which is basically kind of in the middle of nowhere, which is what makes it. It's almost all entirely glass with a wraparound portico. So you really have amazing modern home in this beautiful surroundings. You know, it's just totally gorgeous. And also, they have really done a great job with decorating the place. So, quite wonderful.